In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fork on your e-trike. First, we'll move the display forward to gain access and loosen the stem. We'll use a 6mm Allen key to loosen the bolt. Once it's loose, carefully remove the stem, making sure not to scratch or damage the trike's frame. Next, we'll move on to the lock nut located on the fork tube. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nut until it's free enough to be removed by hand. As we remove the fork completely, you'll see the plastic cover and the internal bearings. It is very important to keep these parts in their original position. Now, lift the frame. You'll notice the assembly order is the same, the bearings and then the black plastic cover. Remove the cover as shown in the video, and then pull out the fork you are replacing. Be sure to take the bearings and the plastic cover from the old fork and place them onto the new one in the exact same order. Slide the new fork into the head tube, ensuring the bearings are properly seated. Place the black cover back on, followed by the nut to secure the assembly. After hand tightening, lift the fork with your left hand, maintaining upward pressure to keep it in the correct position. Now, use the adjustable wrench to tighten it firmly. You want it secure, but it must still rotate freely from left to right so you can steer through curves without it locking up. Finally, install the top nut, tightening it first by hand and then finishing with the wrench for a complete assembly. To finish, prepare the front wheel for installation. Maintain the correct order: lock washer, fork washer, and nut. Once the wheel is installed, slide the stem back into place, and we are all set.